Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah.
Hi guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another one of my clean with me's, and this time it's going to be a quick bathroom clean with me Christmas edition. So I haven't done a clean with me in absolute ages and I thought it's a good time to do one. So my husband done the shower the other day, so I didn't need to touch that. So what I'm basically doing is just kind of taking everything off the window ledge before I clean it, and organising what should be there, what shouldn't be there, etc. before I just use my cleaning products to wipe down the window ledge and the actual window. Fabulous bathroom spray, and I am just using one of these score sponges. I like using them for all my cleaning purposes. I do rinse them underneath the sink after every so often just to keep the bathroom clean, to keep it sanitary and to get rid of any dirt, dust, residue off the sponge, because that does my head in when there's like dirt residue and when you're trying to clean something and it wipes it around. So basically I'm just kind of wiping all the area, and then I'm using the glass cleaner just to clean the glass window, just to give it a nice sparkly finish. I'm also doing my wee bathroom mirror with that too, just to give it just nice sparkle. And I'm also just setting everything up on the window ledge because it's nice and clean now. The window ledge and window is done, I do start with the sink, so I'm taking everything off that, wiping down what needs to be wiped down, and I'm using my Fabulosa spray to just do all that. I kind of scrub around the edges of the taps, the edges of the wee drain, and I just kind of give the inside and outside of the sink a good scrub because it needs it, just to get rid of any toothpaste and stuff like residue that gets stuck around the sink. And I am rinsing the sponge out after ever so often, like I said before. I'll do use an old towel just to dry down the sink because I have no cloth. I can't find any, or can't be bothered to find any. Let's be real, but yeah, that's what I do. It's just real life here. I do love using the pink stuff paste for any hard to clean areas such as the drain. I like to really use the sponge and get right in the drain to clean out any kind of dirt. And the pink stuff's really good for stains. I find on my toilet seat, because I do wear a fake tan, using the pink stuff paste on that toilet seat gets them stains off pronto, which is amazing. I do rinse the sponge and wipe over the area because obviously the paste leaves a residue and you have to really make sure to wipe that off too. So I'm doing toilet. I am just going to be using some Domestos bleach just to pour down the toilet just before I clean the outside first, and then I kind of do the layers of the lid, the seat should I say. And I am just using the Fabulosa spray. I love this, but like I said before, for any tough stains I do use the pink stuff on that, and I am using the stain sponge. Don't worry, I am rinsing it out and not being a dirt bird here. I'm making sure it's still clean and just getting rid of all like dirt, residue, and making sure this toilet is nice and clean. flush the toilet after I've cleaned it, just so I've let the bleach sit for a while and I'll flush it. I am using this fabulous spray on my door mirror. I should have used the glass cleaner, but I didn't think. And yes, I'm using the same sponge. I'm starting out with the scrubby side just to really make sure I get any dirt off the mirror, and then I'm twisting it round and I'm just using the smooth side. I am using my flash map, the power map, just to give the bathroom floor a good map because it needs it. It was like dirty, so, well, not really dirty, but it needed a good clean. I couldn't leave it like that. And then I'm using my lovely Fabuloso Christmas spiced apple spray to spray around the room to make it smell nice. And here is my clean bathroom, as you can tell, a good improvement. Did forget to put a wee bin liner in, but I did that after, and I did get toilet roll before, so don't worry about that. And yep, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again for the next one. Stay gorgeous, God bless, bye.